click the bell icon and never miss another update from Bollywood Spy.
साइड अरे हटो धनुष लग गया काजल जी अरे कब धनुष अरे धनुष 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 किधर है धनुष धनुष आया धनुष इकडे धनुष इकडे आया समोर बघा धनुष एक काजल और धनुष 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 अरे यार काजल में अरे काय थैंक यू दोनों का धनुष धनुष अरे रुकना हाथ कर मधु हम लोग लेफ्ट साइड काजल जी धनुष जी काजल जी समोर इकडे काजल
Thank you everyone. Thank you Baba.
संजय जी नहीं एक साथ
Still.
एक मिनट साइड अरे हटो धनुष लग गया काजल जी अरे कब धनुष अरे धनुष 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 किधर है धनुष धनुष आया धनुष इकडे धनुष इकडे आया समोर बघा धनुष एक काजल और धनुष धनुष अरे यार काजल में अरे काय थैंक यू दोनों का धनुष अरे रुकना हाथ कर मधु हम लोग लेफ्ट साइड काजल जी धनुष जी काजल जी समोर इकडे
Thank you everyone. Thank you Baba.
संजय जी अरे हटो धनुष में गया अरे गप धनुष अरे धनुष 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 किधर है धनुष धनुष आया 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 धनुष इकडे धनुष इकडे आया आया धनुष काजल और धनुष 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 अरे यार काजल में अरे अरे काय थैंक यू दोनों का धनुष धनुष अरे रुकना हाथ कर धनुष काजल जी धनुष जी काजल जी समोर
Thank you everyone. Thank you Mama.
संजय जी नहीं एक साथ
my sound designer and my entire cast and crew, thank you so much. Kani Anna is here, thank you. Amala Paul, thank you for being a part of this film, thank you so much. I want to thank all my assistant directors and everybody who's been a part of this film for making this happen. Thank you guys. I need to thank the most special person who's here this evening, my mother. Thank you. Thank you for allowing me to be a working mother and taking care of Ved. Thank you so much. My father couldn't be here this evening, but his blessings are with us. So thanks, Appa. Thanks for just being you. And without any further ado, I'd like to call Balki Uncle and Anand Rai Bai on stage to release the trailer.
It's too much of talent in one family. It's impossible to kind of speak. I remember the last time I was here when she launched Kochadian. It's amazing, and I'm so happy for her. And I think this is the best thing that could have happened to you. Thank you so much for calling me here. All the best. I'm sure it'll rock.
Thank you for being here.
Good evening.
Waste of time.
I'll say. I'll say for you. So I'm the youngest in my family, and I was youngest till I was 42, and then I got Dhanush. And now I feel like how it feels to be an elder brother. So thank you, Dhanush. Thank you very much. It's a great evening. Very excited and looking forward to this. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So with their blessings, I present to you VIP 2 trailer, Tamil right now.
Woo! To invite on stage
the trailer is certainly to fall for. Take care, sir. Samudrakhani sir and Amla Paul on stage. A very warm welcome, sir, ma'am.
they look so good together.
ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருக்குது. தேங்க் காட். இறைவனுக்கு தான் நன்றி சொல்லணும். தம்பிக்கு நன்றி, சகோதரிக்கு நன்றி. தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச்.
That was short and sweet.
You said. He said, thank you, God. Thank you, Dhanush. Thank you, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thanks to everyone. Good evening, guys. it's too overwhelming for me to talk because, well, I think dreams do really come true. Standing here on the stage with these wonderful souls, wonderful, amazingly talented personalities. It's extremely an honor for me to be here sharing this stage and sharing this movie. Thank you, God, for this moment. And I would like to thank Dhanush sir, D. We all call him fondly D. So D sir for... when we all are happy, we call him D. Yeah, so the reason why I'm here is, first of all, because of Dhanush sir. Thanks for your belief, trust, and thanks for making me part of VIP2 also. You didn't kill me. No, please. I'll be a good wife, I promise. Won't torture you. Yeah, and thank you, Soundarya ma'am. Where is she? Hi. She's one of the best and sweetest director I've worked with. Your energy is amazing. And I think she has made VIP bigger and better. I know he's going to kill me for this, but you've added so much of beauty and so much of energy to all the characters. And I think Shalini is a beautiful, all the characters is a beautiful extension in VIP2. And producer Danu sir, it's an honor to be a part of V Creation. And all the technicians and Kajol ma'am. Even still, when I see you, it takes like 5 minutes for me to come back to reality. I'm like, no, this is not real. Always been a huge fan of her, grew up watching you, and I think it's beyond an honor to be a part of a movie which you're also there. No, I mean it. So thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone, for coming and blessing us. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Amla. Amla, I just request you to please stay back on stage. I have a question to ask you. So Amla, you were also a part of VIP1. So what do you feel has changed, in VIP2? Like a part of you, any experience that you want to share?
For me?
Yeah.
I think VIP2, yeah, definitely, because it's a new character altogether.
Okay.
In VIP1, I played his love interest.
Okay.
And in VIP2, it's a wife. I think that explains everything.
Yeah.
When a lover turns wife. So for me, the scenes, the characterization, everything was really different.
Okay.
And as I said, Soundarya ma'am is the highlight during the shoot. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much.
very much.
Thank you. Thanks for your kind words. Thank you.
And now we go ahead for the Hindi promo song, which is, again, exciting.
So we have Lata Rajnikant.
Good evening to everyone. It's an extremely proud moment for me. 2 members of our family working together. Extremely talented children, Dhanush and Soundarya. And I look forward to the movie as much as all of you are looking forward to. I wish to thank the entire team for standing by Soundarya and cooperating in completing this movie. Especially, it's a proud moment for us to have Kajol in this movie. And Dhanush, thank you so much for standing strongly and making another successful VIP2. I'm saying successful already. I know the hard work that has gone into this. And I should especially thank veteran of our Tamil industry, Danu sir, veteran producer, a great family friend, a close associate of our family. Thank you, Parandaman sir, for blessing Danu sir, my daughter, Soundarya. She's like your daughter, and blessing her with this production. I have great dreams for our children, like all mother does. And I was extremely proud of the hard work Soundarya put in during Kochariyan. And we had made a mark in terms of bringing something new to this country. And I'm very happy that she's made a different move by making a commercial movie now, and I'm sure she'll be successful in doing that, and I wish that she has a great career in front of her with all your blessings, and wish you all the best, Saundarya, and all our blessings from my husband. He's not able to be here, but his wishes and thoughts are here to bless everyone. And it's a proud moment for me because you have such talented youngsters who become part of who are in your family. And when they work together as professionals and prove themselves with each one's identity, it's a great feeling. Thank you so much, everyone. Sean, all the best. Thank you, Amala Paul, and Samudrakani sir, and every member of this team, and all the guests who have come here to bless us, Balki, Anandal Rai sir, great friends. Thank you for always being a part of all our work. Thank you so much.
Thank you so very much, ma'am. This wouldn't have been possible without your blessings. And now we would like to
start laughing first and get it over with. Thank you. Now let's go to the speech part. This is not a speech. I'm not going to say thank you to everybody, thank you to God. Yes, thank you to God always, but I'm not going to say thank you. Now, how did I know it was your opening line? Anyway, but I am going to say one thing, that I was very, very nervous before I accepted this film, because I wasn't sure. It's very difficult to speak and to act in another language. And Sapne always felt like homework to me. I remember Rajiv, and I remember thinking that, oh my God, Rajiv has given me like 3 pages of homework every night. So every night I would pack up, I would go back to my room, and I would spend 2 hours with the assistant director, Radhika, over there, who became my very good friend after that, because we spent 2 hours every day together doing homework. It was like boarding school all over again. So I just did not want to go back to school again, but Dhanush and Saundarya came over home, and they lied through their teeth. बहुत झूठ बोला मुझे, और बोला कि नहीं, तुम्हें पिक्चर करनी चाहिए, क्योंकि हम आपको बिल्कुल तमिल बोलने ही नहीं देंगे. So I believed them because I'm a good person, and I believed that, you know, they were good people as well. And they proved me wrong on the first day, because I got this long script with 2 scenes and huge dialogues, and I didn't know what to do with it. And he said, at least try. So they broke a lot of barriers in my head, and I thank them for that. I thank them for breaking a lot of myths in my head that I couldn't speak in another language, that I couldn't act in another language. It was a phobia, it was a fear, and I got over it because of all the help and all the, oh, let's try it at least for once. So I thank them for that. I think VIP has been one of the most professional experiences, and that is that the credit of that goes to Danu sir, Saundarya, Dhanush sir, everybody, D sir. Like everybody's very fond of saying this evening. So yes, thank you very much. I had the most amazing experience. It did not feel like work. And despite the fact that, you know, we had a few hitches in the beginning, I think only due to me, not because of them. But they handled it with so much grace, and I can never thank you enough for that. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your kind words. And now I would love to invite Dhanush sir on stage.
D sir.
D sir.
That was Vasundhara from VIP2. Now we would like to hear from D sir, Raghuvaran. That's a North Indian failing.
Good evening, everybody. This film is very special to me. When we wrote this film, we made sure it lived up to the expectations, because part one was really big, and we had to live up to a lot of expectations, and I hope we've done justice to it. Today, this function is all about the music, and it's all about Sean Roldan. For those who wonder who Sean Roldan, he comes from a very big musical background. But he wanted to stay out of his grandfather, who was a big writer. He wanted to stay out of his shadow. So he went and changed his name to Sean Roldan, which took me about 3 months to pronounce. And he started from the scratch, and he made it here. He's a prodigy. He's a musical genius. And this guy, I can very confidently and happily say that is the future of Indian music. His knowledge in Carnatic music is unbelievable and unparalleled. And I'm very happy and proud and even honored to be working with him, because tomorrow history might say that I worked with Sean Roldan. So thank you, Sean, for honoring this film with your music and making it much better than what it really is. Thank you so much first. And I'm not going to thank anybody else other than just... okay, see, it's on her on this time. So I thank my producer, Danu sir and Pandaman sir. Without them, without their blind faith and trust in us, VIP2 couldn't have been what it is today. Kajal ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. So after... We did not lie to her. We told her there are going to be few Tamil lines and a lot of English lines, which we just changed it like a little bit, vice versa. But she didn't have to really, suffer so much and all. She's being really polite. She did it very easily, very convincingly, and I don't think anybody else could have done a better Vasundhara Parameshwar for us. Thank you so much, ma'am, for doing this film, for accepting the script, for being Vasundhara on and off sets. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks for everything. No, seriously, thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks for everything. That was not serious, ma'am, of course. Yeah. No, that was serious. And those who all came, thank you so much. Anand, I'm not thanking you. I'm not thanking any of Anand Rai campus, no. Balki sir, thank you so much. Rakesh Mehra sir, thank you so much. He just left. Huma, thank you so much. Tapsi, thank you so much for coming. All of you who are here, thank you so much for being here. It's a great feeling to be here at this beautiful audio launch. I feel really positive already. The trailer is already out, and I can't wait to get back home and see how people are enjoying it. And VIP 1 was actually, it was made as a very small film to be really big. VIP 2, though the script is really simple, the director of this film, Soundarya, made this film much bigger than it is on paper. She's really taught me about production design and so many other things, and how to stage a scene, how to have, there's so much that I could understand and learn from her as well. And I'm very happy for Soundarya. She's a very, very fine talent, and I'm sure this is just the first step for her great career as a director. Follow your vision, and you have great vision. Have patience, and I know it's all yours very soon. Thank you so much, everybody, for coming. I hope you like the songs, and oh, you haven't heard the songs. I hope you like the trailer, and please listen to the songs. They are really good. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sean. Love you.
So be with us on stage. Now we go ahead for the music launch, and I would like to invite Sean Roldan, Kajol ma'am, Soundarya ma'am, Kalaipulli S. Thanu sir.
course, guys, I think we must give her a huge round of applause.
Thank you very much, and a very good evening to all of you present here. It's an overwhelming feeling for me to be here this evening to present the audio and trailer of our film VIP 2. And I need to take this opportunity to thank a few people who are very important. Welcome, Balki uncle.
Warm welcome, sir.
To begin with, I need to thank Dhanush sir. Thank you. Thank you for trusting me with your script. Thank you for being my best friend and my mentor and believing that I can handle this project. Thank you so much for the trust. I'd like to thank Danu sir. I can't see you. Uncle, happy birthday. It's his birthday today, so can we have a round of applause for him? Thank you, Uncle. Thank you for the faith you had in me. And a director cannot ask for a better producer. And you're like family to me, Uncle. So thank you. And Parandaman sir, thank you. Wherever you are, I can't see you again. So thank you for all that you did and being on the floor every day. Thank you. Ma'am, I love you. I love you with all my heart. And no, I truly mean it. Your energy is contagious. Your smile's contagious. The person you are is just so positive. And I'm so glad I've gotten to know you better during this film. And thank you for letting me call action and cut to you, ma'am. Thank you so much. I want to thank my chief technicians who made this possible. My DOP is not. Can you see that fast? Yes, please.
Can we help the mic?
She only works with family.
Directing Dad was, again, a very, very memorable experience I'll never forget. Every person who wants to come in the film industry wants to direct a film with my father. So I was blessed to do that as a performance capture film. And I think there is comfort level when you work with family. But, ma'am, I will work with other people apart from family also. Thank you. It's been wonderful. Dhanush sir is such a senior to me, and he's 34 films old. And
I just want to say that Dhanush sir is a real senior to me also. He's really senior. And both Sandari and me really look up to this senior actor that we've been working with for the entire film.
no, I've learned a lot from him, to be very honest, and he is my mentor. And I think he belongs in front of the camera, and cinema is everything he does, cinema and music. So there's a lot I've learned from him, and I'm looking forward to working with him more in the future.
Do I even have to say how my experience was? You saw that?
सौंदर्य मैम आपके सामने है अमित फ्रॉम दैनिक जागरण या सौंदर्य मैम ये आपने काजोल मैम की गुप्त देखी है क्या?
Yes, of course.
Okay, तो वो सोच के इनको नेगेटिव रोल दिया इस फिल्म में?
She's not playing a negative. She's just.
एक तो उन्होंने पिक्चर लिखी नहीं है, तो उनको आपसे ये सवाल पूछ ही नहीं सकते. अगर सवाल पूछना ही है तो
धनुष जी.
हाँ बिल्कुल उनको पूछना पड़ेगा ना. तो So the question is for you basically. You need to answer this question, not Saundarya. I'm the interpreter. मुझे लग रहा है आप सवाल पूछ रहे हैं, मैं उनको सवाल इंग्लिश में पूछ रही हूँ, आप मेरे को हिंदी में पूछ रहे हो.
साउथ इंडियन नहीं आती ना. जी धनुष आप बताना चाहें.
Okay. No, it was not inspired. Adani, that's the question, right? It was not inspired from Gupt. This is completely different. When you see the film, you'll understand. This is she's not playing an antagonist in the film. It's a balance of everything, and I really feel your person necessarily doesn't have to be a villain to be on the opposite side. You know, two people can believe in their own different things, and they might not get along or might not believe in one particular thing, and they might not, get along basically. So it's something like that. So you don't have to look at Vasundhara Parameshwar as the antagonist of the film. She's definitely not. And when you watch the film, you'll understand the balance we've tried to crack with this character.
और एक मतलब कोटेशन भी है कि बिजनेस जो होता है, बिजनेस इज अ कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड फॉर्म ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स. क्या उस प्रेमाइज पे भी मतलब ये इस फिल्म का वन लाइनर आया था, मतलब सिंगल लाइन, वन लाइन?
He's saying that the business is like politics. So is your one line, is that part of the film? No. Okay.
That's it. She's
Next question.
काजोल मैम, आपको हिंदी में अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट्स नहीं मिल रही हैं जो साउथ की तरफ, मतलब क्या?
प्लीज, डाफ्ट क्वेश्चन, बट आई थिंक स्क्रिप्ट्स जो होती हैं वो किसी भी भाषा में मिले, आई थिंक अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट्स जो होती है वो बहुत बहुत कम होती हैं और मिलती ही नहीं है ज़्यादातर किसी भी भाषा में अगर आप बात कर लो. तो आई थिंक दैट द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग फॉर मी ऑलवेज इज एंड ऑलवेज हैज़ बिन अ गुड स्क्रिप्ट.
Kajol, your style in the film.
Okay. Okay. I've no comments about this.
Kajol, hi. To your left, to your left. Kajol,
माइक पे हो तो सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है. समझ में
Here. Kajol, hi. So your style in the film looks a lot like Mr. Rajnikant's style. Was it inspired?
Really?
Yeah.
Awesome. What a compliment. You made my day. Thank you so much for that.
But I have to ask Dhanush to verify that compliment and Saundarya if they agree with it, because it looks like it's inspired a lot by Mr. Rajnikant.
I really think ma'am played her role in her own style, and she pulled it off in style. So I just think she did it in her own style, and it really looks fab.
And nobody owns 96 frames per second as good as ma'am. Her high-speed walks are
Trust me.
amazing. I could not say cut. When madam goes high-speed, you just need to watch her walk.
She'll skip all my scenes when she's watching the film, by the way. She'll watch only hers.
Saundarya, was there ever a temptation to have Rajinikanth sir in the film in any form, perhaps a small cameo or a special appearance? Was there a temptation like that?
No. I mean, whatever the script demands is what the director has to do. So this script didn't demand something like that. So we didn't even think of something like that, no. God willing, I hope so one day. Who doesn't? God willing, hopefully one day. Who doesn't?
Part 1 and Part 2 are, it has its own similarity and it has its own differences as well. And we've brought in another very important social message also in the film, which we are dealing with. And it will have all those quickie moments from Part 1, those nice emotional family drama from Part 1, but it will also have a very...
it also has the little bike from Part 1 to Part 2. I don't know why.
Luna. It's a sentiment, ma'am. And now Part 2 has Kajol, so what else new is needed?
Last two questions, please.
The film's a sequel, so VIP means Velailla Pattadari. So we wanted to retain the title, and this is Part 2.
And Velailla Pattadari means unemployed graduate.
Is a tagline.
It's
so
a tagline, it means challenge, basically. It means challenge. So Lalkar it's basically for the Hindi audience so that they can identify and understand what the film is about rather than thinking that VIP matlab very important person.
Hi, Kajol. Kajol here.
Hi. I don't know where you are, but hi.
That would be the last question.
हाँ, बिल्कुल, बोलिए.
काजल 1997 में आपकी तमिल फिल्म आई थी पहली, और अब 20 साल बाद आप काम करिए. क्या बीच में भी आपको साउथ की फिल्मों के ऑफर आ रहे थे जो आपने रिजेक्ट किए, और क्या वजह थी कि आपने इतना वक्त किया कि आप फिर से साउथ की फिल्म करें?
बहुत ऑफर्स आए थे बीच में, लेकिन मैं हाँ बोलने से, like I said, I was very nervous. I worked too hard for Sapne. I did not want to work that hard on another language in another film. I have not done a film in any other language. It's not only Tamil. So it's not Marathi, it's not Bengali, it's not, because I truly feel, मुझे लगता है कि जब भी आप acting करते हो किसी और भाषा में जो आपके समझ के बाहर है, जिसकी समझ आपकी limited है, तो मुझे लगता है कि you're concentrating so much on the dialogues that somewhere down the line आपके expression मार खा जाते हैं. So I feel that's I feel somewhere down the line I feel like I'm cheating myself, and therefore I feel that it's extra hard work.
तो आगे भी आप इसके बाद साउथ की फिल्मों के ऑफर्स लेंगी या कुछ?
मुझे लगता है कि अगर मैं लूँ भी, मुझे लगता है कि इस मामले में मुझे लगता है कि मुझे लोगों पे भरोसा करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि मुझे भाषा आती नहीं है. तो इट विल डिपेंड ऑन द पीपल दैट आई एम वर्किंग विथ एज वेल.
Saranya ma'am's role. That's a very intelligent and important question. But no, seriously, But I really can't say much about it right now. But you'll be surprised for sure.
धनुष सर, आपके सामने एक बार फिर से अमित, इस हिंदी फिल्मों में तो है कि एक्टर्स जो हैं वो पॉलिटिक्स से मतलब थ्योरी बना के रखते हैं. साउथ में हम लोग देखते हैं कि एक्टर्स जो हैं वो पॉलिटिक्स में एक्टिवली इन्वॉल्व होते हैं. रजनी सर के बारे में भी हम लोग सुन रहे हैं कि वो पॉलिटिक्स ज्वाइन करने वाले हैं, एक्टिव पॉलिटिक्स. आप लोगों के पास क्या कुछ जानकारी है उनके बारे में, या आप लोगों के हिसाब से एक्टिव पॉलिटिक्स में उन्हें मतलब ज्वाइन करना चाहिए?
You didn't see the invite, it said no questions about politics.
नहीं, तो मैं ये कह रहा हूँ, आपकी ओपिनियन क्या है, मतलब जानना चाह रहा हूँ कि उन्हें पॉलिटिक्स ज्वाइन करनी चाहिए. They should join, yeah.
Do you have an opinion why they shouldn't?
Yes, मतलब
so I have my opinions and you have your opinions. You stick to yours, I'll stick to mine.
Okay, that's it.
Thank you so very
much.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.
One second, please.
Solan.
Ma'am, you're going to direct a film?
He's asking if you direct a film.
Me? I'm very happy acting. Thank you very much. I have no intention of making extra ulcers in my stomach.
Thank you so much. Chennai la irundhu vandirukra ellarkum romba nandri. Thank you all so much for coming. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Saundarya ma'am. Thank you, Dhanush. Thank you, Kajal ma'am. Thank you.
Excuse me. Ek second.